Welcome, grade 1 students. Welcome in your science lesson, right? Now, can somebody just name the topic that we started yesterday in science? There is a new topic that we have started yesterday. Can someone of you name that topic for me, please? Yes, it was all about our five senses, right? We have started this new topic name like of the name is five senses, right? Now, yesterday what we did, we had a journal discussion on all of these five senses. Now, as I have told you yesterday also that gradually we are going to do each sense every day, right? In every class we'll be doing each sense. So today also we are going to start with one sense, our sense, and the name of that sense I'll tell you in a minute. First I want to show you something. Now what is this that I'm holding in my hand? It's a tiny flower, right? And what is this? It's another flower. Now what does flower gives you? It gives you nice, pleasant smell. When you smell, you feel good. When you smell the flower, you feel good, right? Now, what happens when you are holding the flower in your hand? You are touching it. How does it feels? How does the flower feel? You must have seen a flower and you must have touched a flower. Yes. So how does it feel like? It feels very soft. It feels very soft, right? So this is the topic the sense which we are going to do today, and that is sense of touch. How you feel like when you touch something. Now, remember class that your other senses, they like your sense of sight, your sense of hearing, they are all handled by specific part of your body. Like your sense of sight is handled by your eyes, your hearing is handled by your ears, right? But your sense of touch, without your sense of with this, your sense of touch is affected by all parts of your body. You know that your sense that without the sense of like your sense of touch is handled by the all parts of your body. How? Without the sense of touch you will not feel your feet touching the ground. Yes or no? Without you having the sense of touch in your body, you will not feel your feet touching the ground. In the same way, without sense of touch, you will not feel the pain in your body. If you are hurt, God forbid, if you are hurt sometime, whenever you get hurt, you feel the pain, right? You feel the pain because it hurt your body. So without your sense of touch, you will not feel that. So it is there all over your body. Whereas for your sense of eyes, your sense of seeing is already related to your eyes. It is handled by your eyes. Ears is handled by your hearing is handled by your ears. But sense of touch is handled throughout your body. Although you touch with your hands, but you touch with your feet as well. You will not feel the ground touching your feet. Yes, when you touch the ground, it feels, your feet is going to feel the ground, right? In the same way, your hand is going to feel anything it's going to touch. Okay, now I'll show you a picture and you will also understand more clearly what are these two things here. This is a hand. One hand is touching another hand, right? What is here? Again, this hand is touching a worm. It's trying to hold a worm with this hand. So the hand is going to feel the worm. Now what this girl is doing? She is taking the food in his hand. She's taking you can say an apple or an orange in her hand and she is eating it. So she is holding it with her hands. So hands are involved in touching. Whenever you are touching something, your hands are involved, but your feet is also involved, right? Because when you are touching the ground with your feet, it's going to be involved, right? So this is how your this thing your sense of touch is taken care of. Now remember, children, that like that I have told you that without the sense of touch you will not feel your feet touching the ground, and when you walk, or you will not feel the pain when you are hurt, right? Yes or no? So now tell me, class, as a whole class, when you wake up in the morning, what are the things that you touch throughout the day? Can you name those things that you touch throughout the day? Yes, you touch your bed, okay. You touch your pillow, you touch your bed, you touch your pillow. What else do you touch? You touch the door of the washroom, you touch the door of your washroom. When you wash your face, you touch your face, you touch your cheeks. Yes, when you wash your face, right? Then when you wear your clothes, you touch your clothes, right? Then what happens? You wear your socks, you wear your shoes. Yes, then you eat your breakfast and then you hold your spoon in your hand. These are all the different items, all the different things that you touch when you are wake up in the morning, or when you are start getting ready to go to your school or to go to somewhere else. So now the question is, how do they feel? When you are touching them, how do they feel? How does your bed feels when you touch your bed? It feels soft. How does the pillow feels? Yes, it feels soft. How does the door feels? Hard. Okay, how when you wash your face, how does it feels? It feels soft. Okay. Again, when you wear your clothes, how does your clothes feels? They also feels, you can say, smooth and soft both. Okay. What about your socks? Again, soft. What about your shoes? You can say they feel when you touch your shoes, some of them might be hard, some of them might be smooth. Okay, what about the spoon? Hard. So what we have done, we have written how do we feel when we touch all these things, right? So basically what these things they are called the touch words. You call them touch words in scientific language. You understand? Now, see, like your bed feels soft, your pillow feels soft, your door feels hard. So these are all the touch words. When you touch something, you feel that way, right? When you touch your clothes, you feel softness, you feel the smoothness of that material, right? When you touch your computer, you feel hard. You feel the hardness of your computer, right? You are touching it with your hands. So when you are wearing your shoes, you are putting your socks on, so your feet is feeling the softness. Your feet is feeling the softness of the socks. Your feet is feeling the smoothness of your shoes, right? So that is why I have explained to you in the beginning that the touch involves your whole body. It doesn't only involve your hand, it involves your whole body, because it is handled by your whole body. You understood, class? Yes? All right. Now, what I want you to do is, I want you all to make this list, to write down this list which I have written on the board in your notebook, and you can also draw small pictures, right? So since it's writing, so I'm going to give you, let's say, 12 minutes for this task, and your time starts now. All right, time is up. Raise your hands. I hope you all have written the same way like I have written, right? Yes. Okay. So that means the first sense is covered. We have done the first sense, that is the sense of touch. We have done how does that sense of touch feels like, and which organ of our body is involved in touching. Your hands, your feet is also involved, but it is handled by, and it is actually affected, you can say, by your throughout your whole body. Your whole body is affected when you touch something, when you touch your feet touches something, or when you get hurt. If you get hurt with your feet, obviously your feet is going to hurt, but your whole body is going to feel the pain. That means the whole body is affected, right? So do remember to do your work that I'm going to post on your portal, and don't forget to watch the video which I have shown you yesterday. It is related by all the 5 senses. Okay, children? So see you later tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.